We are proud to showcase our CTKPFD08 professional installation kit for the 2015 onwards Ford F150. The CTKPFD08 kit retains the vehicle's steering wheel controls when upgrading to an aftermarket car radio. We have rid you of the clunky aircon controls and have replaced them with this easy-to-use dual touchscreen unit. On the driver's side screen, you will find buttons that will regulate the vehicle's fan speed, temperature, as well as the fan orientation. Located at the bottom of the right screen are quick access buttons for the heated seats, as well as the front and rear demisters. Located at the top right of the screen is the CTKPFD08's new configuration menu. Within this unique menu system, you will find the vehicle settings, which allows you to change the time and date, as well as customize the distance and temperature units. Another handy menu is the system's ITC settings, which will alter the outward appearance and characteristics of the dual touchscreen and its functions. The CTKPFD08 can also support the French, Spanish and English language. To find out more about our professional installation kits, or more directly the CTKPFD08, follow the details on screen or head on over to our website at www.connex2.com.